Alright, I'm at Floyd's VW, and there's this car here is up for sale, and there's also the one next to it there, the white one you can see in the background. We're going to talk about this car real quick and some of the stuff we found on it we were looking at. It was pretty cool, and we don't have a price on it yet. We're just looking for offers, and I believe this might be attached to a link to this video might be attached to an offer up ad, and if it's not an offer up anymore, it'll probably be sold. And I'll put down on the comments that it's sold if it is already. So far it's not right now. We were looking this up. It's a 65, okay, and we opened up the hood. Let's see what's in here. Check this out. We opened up the hood, was looking at it. It looks to me, you guys tell me, does that look like an accident car? Doesn't look like one to me. And this side looks like it's never been hit ever in the front, which is pretty darn amazing. Let's get up closer. I don't see any signs of Mondo or filler in that area, but you never know without really cleaning this thing up. But then we looked here and we saw this. So it's ruby red, original color, and I believe underneath all that and all up in here, and maybe even under here, that is all ruby red. It even has, look at, you can see where the emblem was, or I don't know if it has one on it or not, but it still has little tabs and they're not painted. And it doesn't look like there's any paint on the spring guards. You see there, you can see the original speaker back in there. The wiring, not painted. Pretty unusual for a old Volkswagen glass tail light or glass headlight bug to be in that kind of condition. We're kind of thinking that this is even original for 65. Anybody know? I don't know. I'm not sure on that, but I know we took the cap off and it still has a VW stamp on it. So, and the inside of the gas tank looks really clean. There's no rust that we could tell. It could have been like a little minor something going on in the front, a little accident at some point. But you know, these look like original fenders. Notice that one's got a little kink in it, so it could have gotten hit, you know, here, and there's a little kink in there. Could be easily straightened out. This one's got a little wrinkle there. Those are actually pretty easy to fix as well. It's got some oddball rims on it. These are 65. There's a bunch of other smoothies around here, so I'm sure that somebody could make a deal and get all those with it. Let's look here. The back rim is a smoothie, but it's like it's been hit there. Could use a couple smoothies. Inside, it's kind of odd. You know, I don't know what the color's worth for the interior on a ruby red. If it would have been these colors, I'm not sure. But it does have original upholstery in it. You know, I would get a set of door panels and clean these up really good. And I would take the new door panel material off a brand new set of the empty ones or something, and I would recover it with this material and heat it up with a heat gun to stretch it out and make it look like it was all original. It looks like it could be done fairly easily and have like an original car. I don't know if this has been, it looks like maybe this has been repainted. Look, see that? It's been painted, screws painted. There's no paint on these. Who knows? And I noticed this right here around the edge. It's been, maybe it's got a different door on it. Who knows? It looks like original ruby red paint inside. That's my guess. Aftermarket steering wheel. I think there's another steering wheel around here probably too. Headliner looks like maybe it could be cleaned up. Just get in there and get a scrub brush out real carefully and some good orange, orange oxygen orange stuff. Get in there and just clean that out really good. Clean it up. Seat frames, they look pretty good. I feel like they're whatever's underneath them, the rotten material. Looks like an aftermarket seat cover at some point maybe got changed. I don't know, did 65 have these? Diamond weave or whatever that is? I don't know. Panel covers are missing. Still has original carpet kit, looks like. Well, maybe this has been replaced. This looks like a replacement. Looks like an 80s style replacement that probably got done when the windows were done. When they took out the glass. I'd say that looks like original ruby red. Then it fades out to a different, like a repaint. A little something going on there. I don't know what that is. Looks like some wavy stuff. I'd guess that there's some body filler in that corner. Pretty substantial one. Could be easily fixed though. That's what that looks like. Look at it. I think there was an issue. I think what happened is this door got hit with that quarter panel. They replaced that door. It got T-boned a little bit at some point. It's hard to tell. There's no engine in here. Looks like it's still got ruby red behind where the firewall cover was though. No accident damage back here at all, looks like to me. Look at a good candidate for restoration, really. And it looks like this has actually still got the ruby red deck lid on it too. So, see the same color here. Maybe they got donor parts from the same car. On that door in this fender. And this side looks like original. Let's look at the door side on this side, see what's going on here. And this one, you can see the ruby red behind there where the rubber was. So it's still the original door on this side. Still has original German rubber in it, I can tell by just feeling it. So I'm guessing that these might have been the original color for ruby red. I don't know. See, this side's not hit. You can see the difference. So that quarter needs some work. That quarter could be fixed, I'm sure. I know I could fix it. But I really don't have time for another project right now. This is a cool car. Somebody's gonna end up with a very cool ruby red original color. I'd stick with I would just keep all the dash all original paint. I would keep this all original paint. I'd repaint that door and then repaint the outside of it. That's what I would do. I mean, still look at the plugs are there. That's original. Never been touched. Really cool. Looks like the gas gauge, the trim around it's missing there. Maybe it has some sort of aftermarket trim. Let's look a little closer. You guys can see that. I think even the running boards might be original, but they painted them black at some point. They're pretty rotten.
Kicking the tires.
Kicking the tires, man. Oh, that's a pretty neat car. Decided to share with you guys, see what you think. If you know somebody in California, there's no rust on this car. It looks like somebody back east maybe. Buy it, trailer at home. This is a nice one. Talk to you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let's see what you guys have to say.